Hello, students, and welcome to the first video in our series on reading strategies. This week, we are starting with an introduction to reading comprehension and scanning strategies. So, let's get started. By the end of this video, you will know what reading comprehension is and what the comprehension strategy of scanning is, and how to use the scanning strategy to find specific information quickly in a text. Now, what is reading comprehension? Reading comprehension means understanding the meaning of what you read. It's not about just reading the words or sentences. It's about making sure that you understand the message, you understand the idea. For example, if you read a sentence which says, the dog is sleeping under the table, reading this without understanding is not reading comprehension. When you understand that the dog is resting in a specific place, is reading comprehension. When you understand the message, the idea of a text, it is called as reading comprehension. Now, let's move on to why it is important, why you need to comprehend, or what is the importance of reading comprehension. Reading comprehension helps you to learn new things, to enjoy stories, and to understand the important information given in the books or articles. Let me give you the benefit of it. When you understand what you read, you can talk about it with others. You can answer questions and even you can write better. That's why it is very important to understand what you are reading so that you can share that information with others. You can answer the questions in exam and you can utilize the ideas you read in your writing. Now let's take a look at how can you improve reading comprehension. You can improve reading comprehension by applying different strategies, which are scanning, skimming, making inferences, matching headings, identifying main ideas, predicting and critical thinking, and summarizing. These are a few strategies that you can use to comprehend what you are reading. Practicing regularly. Another thing is you need to practice. You need to read every day regularly, and you need to apply these comprehension strategies of scanning, skimming, summarizing, and all, and review what you have read to strengthen your understanding, to develop your understanding of what you are reading. So, applying strategies and practicing regularly can help you understand what you are reading. Now, let's look at the first strategy, which is scanning. Now, what is scanning? Scanning is when you look quickly through a text to find specific information, like you have to find out names of people or places, dates you need to find out, numbers or keywords. So, in this case, you do not have to read everything, just focus on the information. If the question says find out the name, look only for the name. Move your eyes quickly in the text and look for the name. If it says dates and numbers, look for the dates and the specific numbers which you have to find out. This is what is called as scanning, looking for specific information quickly in the text. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are looking through a phone book to find someone's phone number. Do you read the whole book? No. You read fast. You don't just read every name. You just scan quickly to find the one you need. And that's how the scanning works. You don't need all the numbers or names given there. You just go to the alphabet with which the person's name starts and you look in that and you will find the name. Now, why is scanning important? Scanning helps you to save time when you are reading, because instead of reading every word, you can find what you need very quickly if you follow the scanning strategy, if you apply the scanning strategy. It is especially useful when you are reading a long article like your passage from the textbook, Pathways book, or the passage given in the exam, which is long, and you will not have enough time to read everything. So, here you can take help of the scanning strategy to look for the important things in the long article, like looking for facts in a test or trying to find important information in a book. It can be name, number, date, day, anything like that. Now, how to scan a text? There are three steps to follow if you are scanning a text. First, identify what you are looking for. Is it a name? Is it a number? A date? A day? A month? A year? What? What you are looking for. Then move your eyes quickly to search for that and use headings and clues. So, before you start, ask yourself, what information do I need to find? It could be name, date, time, or specific word. Look for only for that in the reading text. Step 2, move the eyes quickly. As you look through the text, move eyes quickly across the page and don't read every word. Just look for the key information. Step 3, take help of headings and clues. In your textbook, headings, subheadings, bold words are all given there. So this will help you and this will guide you to find the specific information. These are the clues that helps every time you are looking for a specific information. Now, let's look at an example. Let's say you are reading an article about a famous person and you need to find their birth date. What you have to find here? Date. You need to read the whole article. You don't need to read the whole article. Just scan the text to find the date of birth. Let's practice. Here is a text. Read the text and find Maria's birth date. I'll pause for a while so that you can read the passage quickly. No need to read each and every word. Just scan through it and find the birth date. Okay, let's see the answer. Is it July 15th, 1985? That's what you have found. If that is your answer, it is correct. Well done. Now, let's move to another practice. Let's practice scanning together. I will show you a paragraph from a news article. Try to find the date of the event without reading the entire paragraph. Okay, scan for the date and write it down, then we will check with the answer. Here is the paragraph. You need to find out the date of the event in this paragraph. Okay, what's your answer? March 10th, 2022. Is that you found? Well done, correct answer. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the tips you need to follow when you are scanning for information. There are three tips. Tip 1, focus on keywords. Think about the important words you are searching for, like names, numbers, or specific details. You will find this in the question. The question will tell you what to find out. So you need to read the question and underline that keywords and focus on that keywords only in the text, and you will find your answer quickly. Tip 2, skip unnecessary words. Remember, you don't need to read every word, only pay attention to the information you are looking for. So, skip all the other unnecessary words. If it is a number, look only for numbers, don't read anything. And tip 3 is practice. Practice is the key. The more you practice scanning, the better you will get at finding information quickly. You will not master this in one attempt or two attempt in one day or 2 day, but you need to practice it regularly. Then only you will be able to find the information quickly without reading everything. So, what did we study today? We learned that scanning is important to find specific information. And we have also seen that you need to look for keywords, headings, clues, and you need to move your eyes quickly across the page when you are scanning. And what's next? In our next class, we'll practice scanning with some fun games and challenges. So make sure to review this video and practice scanning at home. So great job today. You're on the way to becoming a faster, more efficient reader. See you in class where we'll have some fun practicing what you have learned in this video. Get ready to put your scanning skills to the test with some gamified activities. Thank you and see you in the class.